In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image transparent in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to soften a photo, make text easier to read over an image, or create a cleaner slide design. Adjusting image transparency in PowerPoint is a quick and useful skill to know. The good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a few clicks. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains the image you want to edit. Once you've found it, click the image to select it. This is an important first step because PowerPoint needs to know which object you want to modify before it shows the correct picture formatting options. When the image is selected, you should see the image formatting tools become available in the ribbon. Next, look for the transparency option. Click Transparency to open the available preset transparency settings. This feature allows you to quickly change how solid or see-through the image appears on your slide. If you don't immediately notice a change, make sure the image is still selected before clicking again. That's a common issue when working quickly in PowerPoint. After that, choose the transparency effect that works best for your slide. PowerPoint typically offers several preset levels, ranging from very light transparency to much stronger fading. Click through the options and watch how the image changes in real time. This makes it easy to compare the different looks and decide which one fits your design best. A lighter transparency setting is often useful when you still want the image to stand out, while a stronger transparency effect can work well when the image is being used as a background, or when you want text and other slide elements to be the main focus. The best choice really depends on how visible you want the image to be and how it supports the rest of your content. As a quick tip, subtle transparency usually gives the most professional result. If the image becomes too faint, it may lose its purpose on the slide. On the other hand, if it's not transparent enough, it can distract from your message. So take a moment to preview the effect and make sure everything remains easy to read and visually balanced. And that's all it takes to make an image transparent in Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you know where the transparency option is, you can easily apply it to improve the look of your presentations and create more polished professional slides.